Welcome. Welcome to solve this nice problem. 2 to the power 3x plus 2 power x is equal to 10 and we are interested to find x. Let's come to the solution. 2 power 3x can be written as 2 power x power 3 because we know that a power mn is equal to a power m power n or a power n power m. X power 3 plus 2 power x is equal to 10. So let 2 power x is equal to m. This implies 2 power x which is equal to m cube plus 2 power x substitute m is equal to 10. So here at the right side 10 is positive. When it at left hand side it will be negative, so at right hand side there is 0. M cube plus m minus 10 is equal to 0. Now here m cube plus m, this is m, it means that plus 1m. We can write this as plus 5m minus 4m. 5m minus 4m gives us m and minus 10 is equal to 0. We can also write this as m cube minus 4m plus 5m minus 10 is equal to 0. So now we take common from first two terms is m. M is taken as common and inside m square minus 4 m is taken as common plus here we can take common as 5 and inside m minus 5 2s are 10. This is equal to 0. Now m square minus 4 is equal to 2 square plus 5 into m minus 2 is equal to 0. We know that this is a square minus b square is which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So m plus 2 into m minus 2, m plus 2 m minus 2 is equal to m square minus 2 square plus 5 into m minus 2 is equal to 0. Now there is a common factor which is m minus 2. Take it common, m minus 2, and inside m into m plus 2 plus 5, this is equal to 0. This implies m minus 2 multiply this m square plus 2m plus 5, this is equal to 0. Now applying zero product rule, m minus 2 is equal to 0 and m square plus 2m plus 5 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 5, we can first find the discriminant, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. By using values, b is equal to 2 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 5. Discriminant 4 minus 20 is equal to minus 16, which is less than 0. So it gives us complex solution. No real solution it gives. And here m minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies m is equal to 2. So recall our substitution. As we have supposed that 2 power x is equal to m. 2 power x is equal to m. Using the value of m, which is equal to 2, here to the power 1. Now, if a is equal to a and a power b, let b is equal to a power c, then b is equal to c. So from this condition, x is equal to 1. Let's verify that 2 power 3 into 1, which is equal to 2 power 3 plus 2 power 1, which is equal to 2 power 1. 2 power 3 is equal to 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence x is equal to 1.